time to decorate. Yay! I'm a bit early this year kasi last year like second week, I think, first week of December, but now it's November 17th, so let's do this!
Do we like her? Of course!
We're going to use a mic because we need to cancel the noise. Okay, the construction. And guys, I do have like a bad headache. Grabe sakit na ulo ko. After lunch, then nagnap lang ako. Pero pagising ko, still sakit na ulo ko. Oh, anyway, it's the next day again. And I have a parcel. I want to share this to you. This is a adhesive like blinds parang ganon. Ididikit ko lang siya instead of drilling kasi ayaw naman namin mag-drill dito and bawal. So instead, I got this kasi guys, I'll show you something. If you are watching my vlogs, you know that there is a construction sa tabi namin, and then what happened dun sa window, there, ayan na siya. Tinakpan na yan kasi nga may construction. But the problem is, nagli-leak siya pag umuulan. So, ang daming tubig talagang pumapasok. And what happened is, binaha kami. I'll show you some videos. Binaha kami. Grabe. Ang lakas ng tulo, ng leak niya. Although, inayos na rin naman niya ng may-ari. Naglagay sila ng sealant sa mga sides and dun sa mga
But kahit
parts na
naglagay
may
na sila
leak
ng
siya.
sealant is meron pa rin siyang leak. So, babahain pa rin talaga kami. Kaya bumili kami ng sealant guys para if ever na meron pang mga natirang leak is tatapalan na lang namin. I'll show you the sealant. It's this one. I got this from TikTok shop. They're flexible, quick seal flexible rubber coating. It's this one. And yan siya. This is very affordable guys. Pwede siya sa roof, sa mga leakage, anything lang na pwede mong paggamitin sa kanya. It's waterproof and longer usage cycle. This is for 50 ml. So I got this from TikTok shop. And yeah, ito yung ginamit ko. Again, may leak pa doon sa pinakababa niya. Kaya pag umulan ng malakas is babahain talaga kami. So, I decided to just get this kasi ayoko na maglagay ng curtain kasi the last time is basang-basa yung curtain. Since wala na rin naman siyang window talaga, I'll just cover it with this one. Para kunwari, meron pa rin window. I got the color. Oh, ang haba pala niya. Oh my God, dapat pala yung 60 lang yung kinuha ko. This is so mahaba. I mean, the width is 90 something, 90 cm. Ang haba pala ng 90. Dapat pala 60 lang. Okay, so this is how it looks. I got the color light brown. Gusto ko kasi yung light gray but it's not available. Out of stock siya. So when you buy this, it comes with a clip dun sa pinakababa niya. And this is adhesive tape. So yes. Oh, there's the clip. Ididikit mo lang siya guys. This is a clip because you can clip it sa may baba niya pag sobrang haba. I'll show you later pag nailagay ko na siya. I need to remove muna yung mga Christmas decorations. So, ang haba pala niya. Oh my God, parang kaya pang dalawang. Oh, ang haba niya. Look. And, tada! Ang ganda ng material niya. And this is also waterproof, I guess. So, ganda. I like it. But I think I need to cut this. You can cut this on your own pag masyadong malapad or mahaba. So it really depends on you. I like the material, ha? It's nice. Look at that, guys. Diba? So, yeah. I'll figure it out. There. Hindi ba guys? Ang ganda. Yun nga lang talaga. Masyado lang talaga siyang malapad. But anyway, I like it. Ang pretty. Makapal.
Ang ganda. Para ka na may blinds, eme.
Then, you can use the clip. Where's the clip? There. Here. Pwede mo siyang gamitin here pag gusto mo ng
Naka-fold lang siya. If gusto mo mas maiksi, then ayan, pwede mo siyang gamitin ganyan. Boosh. That's it! Guys, I'm at SM North. Hintayin ko si Bibi sa The Block kasi nagpunta siya ng office. Bebeng, say hi! Guys, ginutom kami. And makas tayo.
Ginawa siya history ngayon.
OMG! Ang tagal ko na hindi nagagawa to. Gusto ko mag-outro, so why not? Well, anyway guys, thank you so much to each and every one of you. Especially sa mga nanonood pa rin sa akin. Kahit sobrang MIA na ako dito, pero may nanonood pa rin. Thank you so much guys. I love you all so much. I think the next vlog ko is sa Christmas na and New Year. Because every Christmas talaga is nagvo-vlog talaga ako kasi uwi kami ng Clark. So for sure, magvo-vlog ako noon. And yeah, again, thank you so much sa pag-suporta nyo sa aking Walang Ganap series. And I hope you guys will stay pa rin kahit pasulpot-sulpot na lang ako dito. Well, anyway, thank you so much and I'll see you again next time. Bye! Namiss ko to!